10 years to the day since he was sworn in as Prime Minister, Najib Razak arrives to face trial on 7 corruption-related charges. It had seemed inevitable from the moment he lost power last May. The charges relate to $10 million prosecutors say was diverted from a subsidiary of 1MDB to Najib's personal bank account. Najib faces nearly 36 other charges involving more than $2 billion in total.
I'm here today to support Datuk Seri Najib, and I believe that this is a malicious prosecution, selective prosecution. So they are creating a lot of cases, trying to create the perception as if that Datuk Seri Najib is already guilty.
The prosecution plans to introduce thousands of pages of documents and call some 60 witnesses. Following last May's election, police raided properties linked to Najib, seizing around $250 million worth of cash, jewelry and designer handbags. But as the trial has approached, Najib has been working hard to rehabilitate his image, especially via social media. And many Malaysians have become impatient over how long it has taken for the former Prime Minister to face justice.
This is a very important case, and it has had political implications, so it must be as legitimate as possible. So people shouldn't complain about how long it takes, because it has to be a fair trial. Justice must be done and seen to be done. So the issue of how much time it takes, it really shouldn't arise.
The Attorney General is leading the prosecution. He told the court that as Prime Minister, Minister of Finance and Chairman of 1MDB's Board of Advisors, Najib wielded maximum control over the country's purse and nearly absolute power. Najib is currently free after posting around $1.5 million bail for the various charges he faces. Ryan Meltzer, CGTN, Kuala Lumpur.